Hello, Marie. My name is Brad, and I'm going to send you a video or this video that you'll be receiving. And on this video, there's some information on how to build a stronger web page for your own web page. You can use this information for yourself to make it, like I said, a stronger, better web page, which will bring you in more clients, which means more revenue, of course. So within this video, I'm going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. Content is the amount of words that you have in your web page. So, with that in mind, I'm going to copy your web page here. I'm going to put it into something that's called word count. This is a free service that you can use. There are several different ones out there besides this one. So, when I paste this in here, it tells me you have 765 words. With this in mind, to keep a strong web page out there, like I mentioned, to bring in more clients, Google has little robots that go out there and count all this good stuff, okay? And to keep in good content with them, they ask for 1,500 to 25 words. I looked up the nearest person in your area, and they're from DeForest, if I remember correctly. But anyhow, I'm going to copy their web page and put it into this word count just like I did yours. They have 257. So that's probably why you're outranking them out there, okay? Which is good. You guys are doing good from what I can see on your web page, but there's always room to improve, and that's what this video is about. So I'm going to take you to what's called Ahrefs right now. This is you again, Arlington Hardware. Now, Ahrefs right up here is not free. It does cost approximately $200 a month. But you can see on here what this talks about is all things we're going to go over today. Backlinks, keywords, which you don't have any, unfortunately. And then we already went over the word count up here. Well, let's go into your competitor. And you can see, again, Rock Hill Solid Heating and Air Conditioning. They have 15 backlinks and 36 keywords. And these keywords are the big thing to help bring in customers. A keyword is, for example, if you're a plumber, you put plumbing in there, pipes, water heaters, whatever it might be. These are things with it when you're going into this area. For example, I put in heating near Arlington to find your competitor, and that's where I found them right here on number in the number two spot of what's called the Mappets. So you guys are at the number one, which is excellent. But to stay there and to keep growing more business, like I said, I have this information as you're going to see here is going to help you. Okay. So Mappets right through here, you can see you're the number one spot. They're number two, and you can see a few of your other competitors down here. Now down here is what we refer to as the organic section. Okay, I'm sure you've seen all this before when you might have been searching for a hotel or pizza or whatever it might be. And again, a keyword, you wouldn't want pizza as one of your keywords, for example, because that's not going to get people to you. So if we keep scrolling down here, I don't see your company name in the organics. Okay, let's go to page two, and there you are on page two. You're about fourth spot down, one, two, three, four, the fifth spot down. Okay. So, what the goal is, like I said, to keep you guys strong, is to get you and keep you right here and get you into this number one spot right here. Okay. And talking about keywords, I can't go into yours because you don't have any. But for example, they have 36 keywords, like I mentioned. So, if I click on that, what it does is it brings up all their keywords. Okay, so they got humidifier, heating, white dust in the house. I guess with the ductwork that might work. Again, purifiers. So they don't have a lot of real good, strong keywords here. I mean, yes, these are all good, but they could use a little help in getting some better keywords into theirs. Okay. Another thing we look at, like we mentioned, was the backlinks. And that's what we're going to talk about links. Backlink is anywhere you find a website linking to another website via clickable or hyperlink. And these links act like an endorsement for your website, okay? So, and Google uses these to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's kind of like a popularity contest, okay? So if they see a lot of people coming back to your web page, that's going to put you again and keep you at the top. And like I mentioned back here, we want to get you right here, okay? Because again, I think our goal in being a business is to bring in more customers and more revenue. So let's go into your backlinks. You have 259. That's great. Okay. And again, I can't go over your keywords, but you can see all these different keywords. These are domains that are coming back to you. And again, this is very important to Google. I don't know what some of this stuff is, but we can get you a little bit better in those areas too. Okay. So, like I said, you guys are doing excellent. Um, I just want to show you some different ways to help build your company and to bring more money in, of course. Citations. Let's go into citation. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as it is on your web page. And that brings us back to this again. So this is right here is what I'm referring to as citation. It's got your name, your address, and again, just these little commas make a difference, okay? It looks like you got a little dot right here. These different things all have to be exact for your keywords to come back to you in your citations, okay? That's about all I have for you right now. I hope you find this information useful to help build the current web page that you have. If not, this is what I do for a living. You can contact me by replying to this email I'll be sending the a video to, or you can reach me at 608 574 2784. Again, I hope you find this useful and it's something that you guys can use and to help build your business even stronger. Thank you very much, Maria.